Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It's February 14th. Happy Valentine's Day, and this is your free video. So we're going to be talking about NVIDIA and its divestment from a few different stocks today, Serve, Sound, and NOX. We'll talk about that. But first I want to let you guys know that so Monday is going to be a holiday. It's President's Day, so remember that. Don't come here. It's going to be pretty quiet on Monday. But that means I'm going to be flying out to Las Vegas for the Money Show. I'm actually presenting there on Tuesday and Wednesday. So if you guys happen to be there, come on up. It's always great to put a face to a name, and always love meeting other traders. So I'm going to be there. Monday I'll be milling around a little bit. Tuesday I'll be presenting, and then I'll be there for the social thing later on Tuesday, and then I present again Wednesday, and then everything closes. Okay, so the news today is that NVIDIA basically sold out or removed its stake from, and the one that really affected me and our stuff was Serve Robotics. So we'll talk about that. Also SoundHound, and then NOX. I wasn't really trading that one. But then on the flip side, they decided to get into a ticker called WRD, which was a know-nothing stock, and then it exploded, so there's that. But they also decided to get into NBIS, and we were already in NBIS, so we actually did pretty well with that, and I can show you what that looks like here. So for Serve, you know, this could have been worse. We actually, our entry was here around 14 something, and the market got down and bounced just a little bit to about $15. So we actually got out of this for just a little bit of a gain. Unfortunately, we gave back 60% of a gain. So if we got in here where it left off yesterday, yeah, it was about 55, 60%. That was pretty nice. And then just all of a sudden we're back down to 1% gain. So yeah, a little disappointed about that. It could have been worse, you know, it could have been opening up at $10 or something like that, and then we would have been negative. So all we did is we gave back our profit. So all in all, not too bad considering where our entry was, but yeah, that kind of stung today. And then SoundHound, same kind of deal. Now this one, I was really close to getting into this one, but we didn't actually get in yet. I had seen that it was starting to build higher lows and things were looking pretty good, but I just wanted to see a little bit more here on that hourly chart. And yeah, glad I didn't actually get in there and make an official trade, because it also got hit based on that news. So yeah, that's kind of been rough. However, as I said, NBIS, this one is doing well, and we actually got into this one. This was a really, really nice setup. You can see it just bounced off the moving averages there. So we jumped on board there, and we are up 21, 22% on that one. So very, very nice. Now, the other really interesting thing that I want to talk to you guys about is RXRX. We have been campaigning this one for a while. There's been a lot of volume coming into it, and today it decided to pop off. You know, sometimes the market kind of shows you some clues, you just don't know when it's going to happen, and then boom, up it goes. And so really, really nice big move on RXRX today. I mean, look at that volume bar. So huge, huge amount of volume coming into this, really big move. We saw this coming. We were building a position on this one, and we got in all the way down here at about 648. So we are up about 61, 62% on that. So all in all, it's been a pretty decent day, as long as you weren't too much out of balance from say the Serve situation to the RXRX situation. So you know, we gave up 60% on Serve, and here we made 60% on RXRX. So basically it was a wash as far as that goes, if you depend on how you allocated your capital for these kind of stocks. Overall, if we look at the market, I think we're doing fantastically. This is something that we have been looking for and waiting for. If you guys look at my Twitter profile, X profile, I've been saying that I think we are bullish, because if you really look at this, the market handled some pullbacks very, very well, like really bad news that really hit the market. You know, we got the DeepSeek news, we had the tariff news, we had the University of Michigan inflation expectation news, we had a hot CPI, and it survived all of it. And so now you can see, as of yesterday and today, so Thursday, Friday, we are breaking out. And yeah, I mean, just what else is there to say about this? It's looking fantastic, and I'm really happy about what we're seeing. Underneath the surface, breadth is looking good. I can show you this. This was something I was pointing out to the traders today. So if we come over here, because we have to refresh it, and you can see here the 20-day, it's been pulling back. That's why the market's been down. We've been seeing it. But look at this. That might be the first turnaround of the 20-day SMA breadth. And you can see here that the 50-day SMA breadth has actually been holding very, very well. And so that told me that, you know what, this is really just a pullback from a very, very bullish move. You know, you can see a really bullish move. And so this seems more like consolidation than anything else to me. And obviously we can see that with the market. I mean, this was very much consolidation in through here. So now we held on long enough. The market did well. We're moving up. I hope you guys are allocated. There are a lot of names that we're trading. I hope you guys aren't missing out on too much of it. If you are, if you feel like, oh no, this thing's getting away from you, then come on over to Simpler Trading. We're in the central room. You got the Moxie room. So simplertrading.com/Moxie. And that's where you guys can find me. And then I am working on a fresh Moxie class towards the end of March that I'm really, really looking forward to, because we're seeing a lot of strength out there. And I want people to know how to be able to take advantage of this and actually, you know, catch this market, because it's strong. It's looking really, really good. And I think there's got some more upside to it. So make sure that you guys are taking full advantage of this, being as aggressive as you are comfortable. And other than that, we'll see you in Vegas, and we'll see you in the trading room. Thanks again, guys, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.